Hi everybody, this is our last set of videos for Sociology 101 for the summer term of 2018. Why don't you all go ahead and grab your lecture quizzes because we are going to answer the first question right now. So pause the video and come on back. All right, so we have a little bit of class business today. Just as a reminder, our final exam is this week, since this is our last week of class. It opens at noon on Tuesday, July 24th, and closes at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, July 26th. And that's because Thursday is our last day of class. So that answers your first quiz question that the final exam opens at noon on Tuesday, July 24th, and closes at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, July 26th. You have 60 minutes to take the exam once you begun, and you must finish the exam all in one sitting. There's currently some extra credit posted under modules, course tools. It's at the very bottom of the modules page. If you decide to do the extra credit, it's due on Thursday, July 26th, and you should just go ahead and email the assignment to me. This week we do not have a discussion board. We only have an extended response journal, and it's worth 20 points. As I've mentioned before, it's a longer response journal. It's more like a short paper. So be sure to take a look and get started on it early. All assignments for this final week must be completed by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. I will not be accepting any work after Thursday, July 26th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So I just wanted to say a couple words about this week's lecture and lecture videos. As you know, this is a intensive 6-week course where we try to cram in a lot into a very short period of time. And usually when I do an online class like this, it's 8 weeks long. For that reason, we have to cram in 2 weeks worth of stuff this week. So you have 3 different topics actually this week. Capitalism and the economy. There's 2 lecture videos on that. Power and authority. There's 1 short lecture video on that. And social stratification, where we have 2 lecture videos. I wanted to mention that only the first 2 are included on the lecture quiz, but I hope that doesn't stop you from continuing and listening to the videos on social stratification, because there are quite a few exam items on your final exam on social stratification. So I hope that you take the time to listen to the videos. All of the topics are included on the final exam. A word about power and authority. I'm not sure what happened, but I forgot to include it on the reading list. That's not going to really make a difference if you watch the lecture. So use the lecture to study. It is included on the study guide. The reading has not been assigned. However, if you're interested, the reading is on pages 577 to 579 in your textbook. Okay, so that's it for now. Go on to the next video. And so I guess today we have a total of 6 videos, including this one. Okay, enjoy.